September celebrates National Family Meals Month to encourage families to gather around the table for a shared meal. One of the biggest barriers to sitting down together for mealtime is lack of time due to hectic schedules.
That's right, and Food City's Dish and a Dash recipes feature better-for-you pantry staples paired with fresh ingredients for a meal made in minutes, and we're going to share a few of those with you today.
And starting off, we're going to feature some casseroles. So casseroles are a classic family meal option, a warm and comforting meal that typically just comes from one simple dish that requires minimal preparation. To elevate your typical casseroles, we're going to infuse the delicious flavor of pizza. And to save time, the base of this is simply shredded rotisserie chicken paired with your favorite marinara sauce, and then you're going to top with cheese and plenty of fresh toppings. I actually like to stir in a little bit of spinach into my base, and then things like peppers, onions, mushrooms serve exceptionally well for those kind of produce-based toppings.
And it looks delicious. I love all of the color in that.
And again, as we mentioned, very kid-friendly, which is what we're hoping for.
Yes, that pizza flavor, of course, is always a keeper. Well, stir fry is another fast way to serve up vegetables and protein while infusing some great flavors. And this variation features pork tenderloin, which is one of the leanest cuts of pork, so less saturated fat and less calories. And it's also a great source of the B vitamin thiamine, which is critical for metabolism. Here it's complemented by mandarin oranges and a fragrant ginger sauce. And by using shortcuts, fresh stir fry mix saves preparation time and retains a nice crisp texture in the dish, and just pair with some brown rice for a quick meal made in minutes.
And that's kind of a craveable takeout dish that we might oftentimes want to go and pick up. I love that you're creating that at home and saving time. And of course, using recipe-ready meal options is a great way to save time. Oftentimes when we think about convenient choices, we might be fearful that those have more salt or fat or sugar added, but to find balance on the plate, just make sure you're adding plenty of nutrients. And the secret to that is featuring lots of vegetables. So try this quick roasted vegetable cheesy tortellini that uses recipe-ready options such as squash and onion. You can use bell pepper, and then you're just going to quickly make that tortellini, roast your veggies in the oven, toss it all together with a fresh pesto, and voila, you have a family meal ready in minutes.
And the pesto smells so good.
Yes.
I want to eat that. The weekends are also a perfect time to unwind and share a family meal, and instead of a night out, try to recreate restaurant favorite meals at home. Food City featured meal deals provide perfect recipe inspiration the whole family will love. Now, this meal deal offers a choice of beef or chicken fajita mix paired with chips and salsa. And to save time and have an easy cleanup, try making the fajita mix in the oven on a sheet pan. And if you want to elevate the meal deal and add more fiber and nutrients, simply add microwavable brown rice, crisp baby green lettuce, and beans to create taco bowls.
I think you're right on trend there with saying, let's create those things we might be doing at the weekend and make that meal at home. I love that's a great time to fit in those family meals. Creating nourishing family meals does not have to take a lot of time. For more Dish and a Dash meal ideas, visit foodcity.com and pick up our family meals recipe booklet in stores all September.